and welcome to the Grand Pequot Tower here at Foxwoods Resort in Connecticut. Today we're going to show you a room with 2 double beds here at the Grand Pequot Tower. So right when you enter is a very spacious bathroom. Has great lighting, lots of space, comes with some amenities for you over there in the corner, so you don't need to bring your own shampoo. Quality's pretty good. And the bathroom is a tub shower combo. So the room is pretty spacious. It's nice and wide. It has a queen size bed over here, 2 queen size beds. Again, very spacious, lots of space, draw space, some outlets here, USB ports up here. Very nicely decorated. This room was just recently redone. So everything is pretty new. Again, lots of draw space, comes with complimentary waters. Here's your mini fridge down below. Nice big flat screen TV there. A writing desk over here. And then a good size wardrobe. Comes equipped with a coffee pot, some coffee ironing board and iron. And then hanging on this side, and there's also laundry as well. I really do like this addition that they have over here in the corner. It's kind of like a bench seating, somewhere that you can sit and relax if you want to push the table to the side, or somewhere where you can dine if you want to order room service, or just bring some food back here to the room. Our view today is of the front entrance. This Grand Pequot Tower also has an indoor pool and spa, and it has a really nice day spa. If that's something that you're interested in, you can definitely look into booking a spa treatment here at Foxwoods Resort and Casino. So Foxwoods does have Grand Pequot Tower. It also has Great Cedar Tower. It has Fox Tower, and then I can't remember what the 4th one is called. It's kind of like a little off-site property, and they are currently also building a brand new Great Wolf Lodge, so that's soon to come. Thank you for following along. We hope you enjoyed this video of Grand Pequot Tower here at Foxwoods Resort and Spa and Casino in Connecticut. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And you can find us at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners on Facebook. Thanks for watching and safe travels!